Functional medicine is difficult to classify. Some people just call it good medicine. It's the way I thought I was going to be practicing when I started medicine. I thought I was going to be finding out what the problem was and fixing it instead of just putting a drug on top of it to stop the symptom. So when I came into this kind of medicine, it was like my world opened.
I had been to over 10 other doctors trying to figure out what my problem was, and nobody could figure it out. And came from a doctor who suggested that I go on anxiety meds because that was the only thing that they could figure out.
My experience with Lainey's problems were that there was a point in time that I thought maybe I might lose her. In a year's time, we went to the emergency at different hospitals, probably 4 times.
Functional medicine is a new type of medicine. It's been around for the last 10 years. That's relatively new in medicine. And it was founded by Jeffrey Bland, who is a nutritional biochemist. And it's based on biochemistry and special diagnostic skills. And it helps you get to the core issues of the problem to find out why somebody's having the symptoms that they're having, rather than just labeling it as high blood pressure. Find out why the high blood pressure is there.
I had severe digestive problems, very bad fatigue in that I could hardly get out of bed every day to do my job, and just felt overall lethargic.
For the first 20 years of my practice, I realized that people weren't getting better with the things that I was doing. I was giving them medications and I was taking care of their symptoms, but no one ever really got better for any length of time.
My first experience with Dr. Waller was coming from another physician's office. I came directly to their office and walked in the front door and asked the person at the reception desk if I could consult with her. She came out of a meeting, had a break just a few minutes after that, and then I just asked her straight up, I've been to all these other doctors and nobody's been able to help me. Here are some of my symptoms. Can you help me? And she smiled and said, yes, I think I can help you. Sent me back to the desk and set up an appointment, and that's where we started.
It's actually quite simple. You take out the things in the body that don't belong there, like toxins, and you put things into the body that do belong there, like minerals and vitamins and fatty acids.
The improvements that we made to my diet greatly improved my digestive system, calmed all of the symptoms where my body was overreacting to every little thing. If I ate something that I was allergic to, I would just have such a bad reaction. I'd have headaches, I'd have shakiness, I'd have severe stomach aches. All of that is gone. I don't have any of that anymore. My energy level is way up, way better than it was several years ago. And just overall mentally, you can imagine what that does for you to feel better.
She's 100% back to what she was when we got married, and I'm excited about that.